Hello and welcome. I'm Susan Hyde and I am your hostess here tonight in our Upgrading Your Home Essential Oils Introduction class. So I'm excited that you are here. So tonight's class is going to be incredible. It's jammed packed full of information that I know that you are going to love, and it will also really be an eye-opener, so stay tuned. But I wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction as to why I am super passionate about ditching toxins. So I have been using Young Living essential oils and their products for about 5.5 years, and it literally, seriously, it's a cliche, but changed my life, and you will discover more and more people that have the same type of testimony to be able to say, because when you are using plant-based products, it really does make a difference in your life. So I suffered from many health issues. Autoimmune issues were definitely part of that, and that is more and more common. And we want to just be really careful, because when you are using toxic things on your skin and in your home and breathing that in, it makes a difference. And so this is where education comes in. So I am really glad that you are here, that you are showing up to be educated and just to kind of learn a little bit more, because when you know more, you can do better. So anyway, so let me tell you about why I'm passionate. I shared a little bit about my story, but I am really passionate about spreading the word and also sticking with a company that has really high standards, because you can really be fooled, and I'm going to share a little bit more about that in another post about greenwashing, where we could be fooled by marketing, which, you know what, nobody likes to be fooled. So the average modern day household uses hundreds of toxic chemicals each day, a large percentage of them even before you walk out your door every morning. So especially us as women, we are using chemicals in our shampoo, in our body wash, facial cleansers, hand soaps, moisturizers. Then you've got the whole other gamut of cleaning stuff that we use. So they're in definitely all kinds of things. So new evidence actually connects our daily toxin exposure in common household products to so many health concerns that we are being blown away. The fact of the matter is that modern families are in the midst of a health crisis, and our toxic concoctions are contributing to that. And I'm sure if you've been on this journey and you are reading labels, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm definitely committed to making better choices, okay? We all came from a place where we started at zero and just kind of didn't have the education and the knowledge. So it's always great to be able to learn and be educated and just make better choices. So we need to open our eyes. Are you with me? Like, yeah, that's what needs to happen. So now that I'm definitely more aware, I am committed to making better choices. So I'm worth it. I want to be here for my family as many years as possible. So making better choices definitely is part of that. So Young Living meets that expectation for me. It is nearly a one-stop shop for all kinds of things related to a healthy lifestyle and when you're wanting to implement that. So we're going to discuss a little bit more about that. So switching to Young Living's high quality, long lasting, a lot of our products are concentrated. So you use a tiny amount. And so that's such a shift for us to get used to, but it's amazing because I live in a tiny house right now, and it's really nice to be able to have small containers of things, but they go a long way. So do you know, like not having 50 different containers of things under my sink or under my bathroom sink, it's like, I can breathe. So I love that. So when you learn to do swaps, which we're going to talk about, it's made easy with Young Living products. So you don't have to sacrifice quality over that at all. So that's one of the things that's a peace of mind is good. It's priceless. So the idea of a total home makeover, which we're going to that's kind of like the title of this class, it can be overwhelming. Okay. That was me, like all the things. And we don't want it to be overwhelming for you. So it's really as simple as learning to identify the things in your home that could be making you sick, and then replacing those things with safe and healthy alternatives, and making mindset shifts to fully embrace the Young Living lifestyle. So tonight we are going to cover 3 steps. So you'll see me on a couple live videos, but then you also are going to read some really great posts that will educate you. So the first step is to identify. You want to identify the harmful products that are being used in your home. Be familiar with common red flag ingredients and learn to read labels. If you can't pronounce what is on the back of a label, it's a good indication that it's probably not something that you want to be using in your home. So then step 2 is replace those toxic products with safe and effective alternatives from a source that you trust. So for me, it is Young Living, hands down. I've been to the farms where they grow the plant material, which then goes to create not only essential oils, but shampoo, household cleaner, toothpaste, face cream, all kinds of things. So that, to me, that's my peace of mind. I know I can trust them. And then step 3 is lifestyle, taking full advantage of what Young Living has to offer through their membership and implementing a style of wellness, purpose, and abundance. So it's a wonderful community, and then also knowing that you are providing the best for your family is another. So what's the big deal? So I know, like for me, maybe you're like me and you're kind of like, what is the big deal? Like, these products have been around forever, and you know, what is the big deal? Well, the big deal is the toxins. So are they really making you sick? Well, it's easy to see why so many people are skeptical. I was a skeptic. My husband was really a skeptic, but we have to be really careful about what the detrimental long-term effects and even short-term effects are that toxins have with our health. After all, if these ingredients are truly detrimental to our health, how do we know? How do they end up in our commonly used products? So it's solid logic until you dig a little deeper. I hope that the information covered tonight is kind of eye-opening for you. It was for me. But more than anything, I hope that you're inspired to take it upon yourself to research what's in your home and start making informed decisions. It's a sham that the standards that what we allow into our country and put into our products, it's really low. But in the end, you get to decide what comes in your home. You are a gatekeeper for your home. And that's important. So put your detective hat on, get ready, because today is the day you say no more.